Hey guys! For the next 2 days, we are going to be focusing on one of the principles of design that you've been studying the first 3 days of the week, and it is the principle of emphasis. And on pages 312 through 318 in your book, it will talk about emphasis and what that means and how you can bring that into your artwork. So look at those pages so you can start thinking about your design. When you know what emphasis means, go ahead and grab one of these 6x6 manila squares from the middle table and a pencil, and I want you to draw out your design. Now keep in mind that you are going to be making a stamp from your design that shows emphasis. Now my design, all of the outside purple spots are going to be yellow because I'm going to have paint on those when I stamp them. That's going to be yellow, and this is going to be red, showing emphasis in the middle. It's a different shape and it will be a different color, so that's going to pull your eye to this middle, and that is showing emphasis. There are many different ways to show emphasis, and the book will show you all of that. So maybe my new design, I'm going to have some straight lines. And maybe right in the middle I have a wavy line. And I'm going to cut these shapes out of foam. Now we have some pretty crazy shaped foam pieces, but we can cut these to make straight lines and curvy lines. I do not want to see little puppies on your projects. I want these to be cut into shapes that we can build like a mosaic, build together to make different shapes. So a lot of little lines, little squares will help you build your stamp. I created circles on this one with just lines going in circles, and I glued those on. So I'm going to use these shapes to glue on to my paper. Now this is not the paper that you are going to use for your stamp. This is not thick enough, but you are going to use the big pieces of cardboard that are in the back of the room. Go ahead and put your practice drawing down and trace it so you can cut out a nice 6x6 again. And don't throw the leftover away. Other people can use it in the class. And just cut that out. And this is what you will use to start gluing your foam pieces down to create your stamp. We will not print these until Monday, so you do have 2 days to complete your stamp, your design and your stamp, and to get familiar with the vocabulary word emphasis and the principles of design. And this is what your stamp will be on. This is a little more sturdy, so stamping it will be a lot easier. When you are finished, obviously it will look something like this, and we'll be ready to print it on Monday. So I hope that you have a great time. Fill the whole space. Don't leave any space empty, because then you'll have a hard time stamping it. Kind of has to be even. I'm actually going to come in and fill some more of these with some more circles to make it more full. So you should be done with your homework from Monday through Wednesday. Should be done with your Van Gogh project. That will be graded before we come back on Monday. And I hope you have fun making your stamp. We are actually going to stamp this more on a large scale right beside each other, maybe in different colors and different formats. So it will end up being a really cool project when we're all done. Have a great time designing with emphasis and putting your stamp together with the foam pieces. See you guys later. Bye.